Howdy YouTube, George here. We have this here R8 chuck. This was in the Bridgeport when I got it. It's quite rusty and we've had it soaking in oil for a few weeks and we have it freed out. It looks to be a fairly decent chuck, but to clean it up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this container with hot water and I'm going to put some of the citric acid in it and leave it soaking for a while and see how that cleans it up. So we'll get that in there and see how it works out. Right, so we have that in there. It's starting to fizz away. So it's just like dumped in the whole thing. Which is in it? 250 grams to, how many of this? Just over 2 litres of water. So we'll leave that fizzing away there for about an hour and see what happens. So 2.5 hours later, that's done a decent job. I just give it a rinse off and we go out then and give it a little tickle on the wire wheel. So there we have it. That came out quite well. I'd probably spend a little bit more time cleaning it off camera, but compared to the rusty mess it was at the start, it's a lot better. So we'll just douse it now in some oil and we'll come back to it when I have some more time. But yeah, quite happy with the citric acid, does a decent job, so saves a lot of scrubbing. Okay, we'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.